Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on tag notifications from friends on Facebook. If you want to stay updated every time your friends tag you in posts or photos, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once inside, head to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This will take you to a list of options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This is where all your account preferences and controls are located. Now, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Under this section, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how and when Facebook notifies you about different activities. Once inside the notification settings, look for the category labeled Tags and tap on it. Here, you'll see an option that says Get Notification when you're tagged. Tap on this option to proceed. You'll now have the choice to customize who can notify you when they tag you. To enable notifications for tags specifically from your friends, select Friends. After making your selection, don't forget to tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned on tag notifications for friends on Facebook. Now, whenever a friend tags you in a post or photo, you'll receive a notification so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with their Facebook settings. Stay connected and enjoy using Facebook.